Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Diving right into an update of a project we've been following for a while, FLOKI and the sister project TokenFi. Let's dive into some updates, major updates, guys. You know how I feel about FLOKI. Full disclaimer, I am a holder of these projects, but what cannot be denied is the momentum that this project is having in comparison to other projects in the space, other meme coins, other projects with strong communities. One thing that FLOKI is doing, like I've told you time and time again, the strategic partnerships. Let's dive into some updates here. Exclusive animated cat brand Simon's Cat is launching a meme coin in partnership with FLOKI, and a portion of the supply earmarked for an airdrop to FLOKI token holders. Big news, guys. So CoinDesk announced this, and we can actually dive in a little bit to see what's going on. So taking a look here, a portion of the supply will be airdropped to FLOKI token holders, and another portion will be distributed to users who trade Simon's Cat with FLOKI Trading Bot. Simon's Cat meme coin is officially linked to the mainstream Simon's Cat brand and is the first major cat meme coin on the BNB chain, backed by company's IP, which earned 5.8 billion in revenue last year. So animated cat brand Simon's Cat will issue a meme coin using FLOKI's TokenFi Launchpad in the first week of August, guys. Right now, okay? Right here it says FLOKI lead developer B told CoinDesk in an interview Wednesday the token is launching in partnership with FLOKI, BNB chain, crypto investment DWF Labs. Okay, so huge momentum here. Like I've been telling you about, a lot of things are happening despite market conditions, and that's kind of what you want to look at. You want to look at what are they doing despite what are they doing when times are good? What are they doing when times are bad? Most projects, when times are bad, they're not doing these strategic partnerships. They're not launching anything on Launchpad. You just don't hear anything. They wait until the bull market, everything's blowing up, to say something. This is laying the foundation for success in the bull market. Taking a look here, FLOKI and TokenFi holders will be the main beneficiaries of the hottest meme coin launch this year. FLOKI holders are going to be airdropped. Token stakers will be the main pre-sale participants through TokenFi. So big news here. Love what I'm seeing. Taking a look here, another tweet saying, "Are you sleeping on TokenFi, guys?" You guys know how I feel about TokenFi. Okay, pretty much paving the way for real world assets, guys, making it as seamless as possible to get real world assets into tokenized assets, guys. Love what I'm seeing there with TokenFi. Going to FLOKI. So FLOKI's been listed on Kraken. As we talked about before, Kraken has a spot listing, making it easy to buy FLOKI on one of the most trusted US-based cryptocurrency exchanges with crypto and fiat. Okay, Kraken's number 2, Coinbase is number 1. If anything, you might want to say Kraken's number 1, because Kraken actually is, in my opinion, is more for the people. Okay, more for making it easy for you to, I wouldn't say easy, but less hassle, because Coinbase has been known to shut down accounts. If you start doing a certain volume, right? If you start, moving crypto from decentralized wallets, cold wallets that they don't know about, right? Or they may have questions about, they operate more like a bank. Kraken actually gives people choice, and as long as you KYC with them, there's not really a lot of problems with Kraken. Kraken's been pretty well. They're 10 million users, over 10 million users across 190 countries and growing. Like, Kraken is doing their thing. Love Kraken. Definitely that's not paid to talk about Kraken, but I love Kraken when it comes to onboarding into crypto and then off ramping, into fiat. So definitely a great call out here with being listed on Kraken. Going to the next highlight here, FLOKI is now live on Bitstamp, the world's longest running cryptocurrency exchange. Bitstamp is an OG in the space. Okay, the following pairs have been listed: FLOKI Euro and then FLOKI USD. So Currently, Bitstamp is one of Europe's biggest centralized exchanges, highly regulated exchange with 50 licenses. And so you can see here, this listing is major for FLOKI, further legitimizes FLOKI and solidifies the position as they work towards becoming the most known and most used cryptocurrency. So big shout out there for them, with FLOKI, because, they're continuing to do what needs to be done to position themselves for the bull market. Next thing here, FLOKI Trading Bot, public mainnet, open beta is live. Okay, so the FLOKI Trading Bot is officially live on mainnets with 3 of the biggest EVM blockchains, Ethereum, BNB, and Base blockchains. We've talked about this before, but one thing that I definitely want to highlight is the open beta. FLOKI Trading Bot is a strong product that they're saying they built and is battle tested internally over the course of months. So definitely FLOKI Trading Bot, public mainnet beta live, and really giving people really just another way to cash flow, another way to have potential profits. So love what I'm seeing here with that. Next article here, we see that you can join the $10,000 plus FLOKI Trading Bot competition. It's happening up until today, and to be honest with you, the trade points, you can earn 1 point every dollar FLOKI traded, referral points, leaderboard, top 10 participants share in the prize pool, $10 worth of BNB, 10% collective traded fee revenue for FLOKI during competition period. Take a look at that. Links for this will be in the description for sure. FLOKI right now is the world's biggest play to earn cryptocurrency. Love that, guys. Love that. You don't get there for no reason. Okay, there's a reason why FLOKI is now the world's biggest play to earn cryptocurrency. So seeing here, they surpass big players like Sandbox and Gala and Mana. Okay, so a ton of really growth, strategic growth. So you're starting to see the fruits of that strategic growth we were talking about previously when we referred to FLOKI. So definitely a good call out here when we look at what's been done. Okay, so definitely a great call out when you look at the competition as well. So Axie Infinity is passing them. I mean, it's huge news. And like I said, it really just highlights that those strategic pushes that we were talking about with the strategic partnerships, it's actually coming to fruition as to the why behind it and why it was necessary. So huge shout out there. Next highlight here, Valhalla partners with India's tour, Sri Lanka, to reach 220 million viewers, like doing things that other people aren't doing. Okay, doing things that other people aren't doing. Love what I'm seeing here for that. And I think it's really aligning with the initiative to be the most used and the most known. How do you be the most known? Get yourself in front of the most people. FLOKI is doing that, guys. FLOKI is doing that for sure. TokenFi. So going to the sister projects, TokenFi is officially a member of an ERC 3643 association, with that, continuing to just do things differently and not be having the courage to take a different route. Okay, we talk about real world assets, guys. That's going to be coming down the pike, and it's going to be huge because a ton of people are going to want to learn how to become how can we tokenize this, right? And then TokenFi is solving a huge problem and really coming with a huge solution to people being able to tokenize real world assets, guys. So TokenFi, the story so far, breaking down what we've talked about previously, major partnerships. We have the listing that we've seen here. We have Kraken Futures Secured. We have Qcoin, Bybit, and a ton more coming in the future. Looking ahead, we see what does the future hold. Like, they've knocked out a lot of benchmarks. Okay, what does the future hold? Worldwide asset tokenization module, support for additional blockchain networks, additional key marketing initiatives, further community expansion, and the above is just a taste, they're saying, of key initiatives and partnerships milestones that have set TokenFi apart from other projects in the RWA space. So huge call out there, and true story. Like, they're doing things that other people aren't. So definitely love that. And, I think everyone should see that and, at least raise your eyes about what they've been doing, because now, I know we talked about this maybe a couple months ago, but now you're seeing the fruits of that labor. You're seeing the fruits of that labor with the major partnerships, seeing the fruits of that labor with the listings that don't happen a lot of times unless you have some type of credibility or have some type of partnerships or network. Okay, and looking ahead, we see that the utility is there, and how are they going to continue to educate the market? So definitely love what TokenFi is doing there as they continue that journey. So Kraken also listed token perpetual futures, so you can join a part and be an investor in TokenFi because they've been listed on Kraken futures, so you can take advantage of leverage trading there. And another thing with token, you can see how tokenization will take over the retail, fashion, luxury industry, and pretty much educating people on how big this real world asset piece is. Okay. And once you wrap your heads around that, I think people are going to be blowing through doors to get their hands at least get a piece of the pie. Okay. Once you understand, the education of real world assets and tokenization, and gaining ground with crypto, and a tokenized collateral ecosystem for real world assets, which is going to be huge when we talk about real estate. Really just sky is the limit here. So definitely love what I'm seeing here. And lastly, we have FLOKI also trading on Coinbase, which is big. Like, despite my gripe with Coinbase, it's still big, still huge news, and ultimately bullish news for FLOKI because they are doing everything right. Okay, everything right, getting their name out there, making the right partnerships to ultimately continue to educate and grow and be the most known and also used cryptocurrency, by far the most known and used in the meme coin space. So definitely love what they're doing, guys. Take a look at FLOKI, take a look at TokenFi. Links will be in the description, guys, and hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.